Okay, another fantastic workshop down at the Murrah today. So super happy. We had a great turnout. And today we were all focused on our modern contemporary classes. So our modern contemporary classes, these are really our expressive classes, kind of like the moves that you would see at a musical or on stage, and really a great way for any of the students who love to really get in touch with their emotions and really express themselves. So we talked about our lines and our style and our postures. So whereas in our street dance, our grooves are down here low to the ground, we talked about how that's contrasted in everything being parallel and very strong posture. So we did a little bit of a warm-up exercises that encompass some of the things we use, like breath work, relaxation, tension, and use of line to really create our expressive pictures or tell a story. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you two pieces. I'm going to give you the warm-up piece that we did, then we worked on a signature move, and then we did a little bit of piece on that. So I won't do the full things out, but I will give you the music so that you can go and do it yourself. So the first thing we did was we found our parallel position and our posture. And we went up the Smarty tube and we took 3 swings. So we went 1, breathing out and breathing in, repeat again, 2. And then we went a third time, 3, and then a full sweeping circle all the way round and back up. And then we repeated that again, 1, breathing out, breathing in, and 2, and 1 more, and 3, and then a big circle all the way round and finish down. Then we went into a little bit of a relaxation with some of our seniors. We did a full upper body relaxation. And then with the younger ones, we were just doing just the shoulders. Sorry, just the ears to the shoulders and all the way around and then back into the full move. So we went to a ball change then with a spine twist to warm up the spine and really get the arms and bigger movements involved. So we did 4 of those and then into our windmill. We were just sorry Abigail wasn't there for her favorite move, the windmill. And then we created ourselves back to center and did it all again. So the song we used was Beautiful People. So what I'll do is I will do it once through. We also did a stretching sequence in the middle of it and then did it once more through. But I will just demonstrate just the warm-up activities so you can dance along with me. Okay. Okay, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Place your feet in parallel all the way up the Smarty tube. And here we go. 1, and 2, and 3. Big circle, up, and stretch it up and again. And 2. Re-stretch those fingers up and 3. And circle, open and aside, front, other way. And then ball change with spine twist. 2, 3, 4, windmill, and windmill. Center stretch, second round. And 1. Big circle, whoosh, and stretch, 1. And again, 2, and 3. And circle, and head rolls, and 1, 2, 3. Other side. Up, losing my microphone, and here we go. Big windmills. Good, and center. Cool, so that's where we just went into our stretching sequence. So you can put a stretch in there or you can repeat it again. And it's a great way to get the breath going and also to get those full body movements into a great little warm up. Okay, so we took then a little bit of moment time to break down our signature move. So we had a couple of different levels that the students could choose from. So the signature move was this one, but what we did was we broke it down. So you could take level 1, which is hands on your waist for posture, and then bring up your legs. So using that turn out there and the balance our tree pose as we were talking about it. And then we obviously practiced on the other leg because we don't want to be one-legged dancers. We want to be equally strong on both legs. The level 2 was introducing the slight lean and a reach out to the side. And you can even do this with the foot down. So you just have a little bit of a push to the side, and then you counterbalance that with a reach out. And then if you're feeling stable enough, you can move it so that the leg is up. And then on the other side, so take a step, lean, reach it out, and up. You can put the other hand on the waist if you like. And that in one go is whoosh and whoosh. The next one was just working on those side arms. So we were saying reach for the sun. In this case, we reach for the moon now. So reach out, and again, the leg is just to stabilize you there, but then you also get the full curve of the body. And then on the other side, curve, and then you can see where we're going from here. So once you're stable there, you can start to bring that leg up, and on the other side, so you reach out to the side, and once you're stable there, bring the leg up. And then we talked about the full circle. So when you're stepping on your left leg, you're going to have your arms towards the right, so that you transfer past your leg all the way up, and then your arms finish on the same side as the leg. So that will give you that lovely, the Dance Theatre of Ireland pose. If anybody remembers the t-shirts from Dance Theatre of Ireland from like 20 years ago, it was this beautiful like strokes of a picture, and this was the pose that was in it. This is why I love it so much. I think they were the first company I ever did a project on, so they are true, dear to my heart. Okay, so we practiced that signature move for a while, and then we played around with a little bit of a routine in it. So we have this cool little track that I'll play for you now in a minute, and it's called Feel It Still. And we just played around with some clicks, and also told a dancer's trick that if you can't click, that you could just flick. And it looks like you're clicking, but you're actually not. So that's helpful if you haven't learned how to click yet. Okay, so we've got a few little clicks, and then we used our flick kick with clicks, which went step, click, back together, step, click, back together. Third time, and then we used our ball change from the warm-up. So the same ball change, but now you could add any dramatic arms that you want, and it looked amazing with everybody's different ideas all out together. It looked so fantastic. Do that twice through for repetition, for our muscle memory. Step, click. Actually, we were stepping on our right foot leg. Step, click, back together. Step, click. Oh, I changed it there. I changed into a pas de bourrée. So step, click. It was more like a Charleston. Step, click, step it back. Step, click, step it back. Ball change, and then we went into a quick step, cross, step, reach, step, cross, step, reach, and you could really reach in this one because we fell out of it very dramatically, and then came back to center and repeated again. Step, cross, step, reach, step, cross, step, reach, fall out of it, and back to center. And then we went for our big signature move. Now everybody could choose their own level of the signature move, but if you went for the big one, then you could take a little bit of a head roll to turn you around, or we just turned around on our feet because we were outside, so it wasn't really nice floor for turning on. So that was really it. And then we did, of course, one to the other side to be nice and even, and turn all the way around. And then we practiced some poses as well. So that was our little piece that we did towards the big piece towards the end. We did a little other one towards the end. Okay, so I will do that one with the music. So it is called Feel It Still by Portugal and the Man. So, all right, I bet you know it. Okay, clicks. And you could just click any way that you wanted, using some style and some smiles. Now with the click, kick, one, back, one. And third time, ball change, ta, and ta. Use those arms and step, click, try it with me. And a one, and back, and one, and one, two. Now the quick move, step, 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 and fall out of it, and again, step, cross, step, and fall. Ready, big move, here we go. Back to center, other way, and we go. And round, back to center, and then from the top, and step, click, back, and up. Third time. Full change. And again, now 1. Back. 1. And again. And quick moves to the side. Step, cross, step, stretch. And again. And step, cross, step. And fall off. Ready, big move. And up. Head roll. Back. Ready, other side. And whoosh. Head roll. Back. Strike a pose. Oh, fab, fab, fab. All right, that was lots of fun. We had lots and lots of fun with that one. Okay, there was one little piece we did at the end, but it was more to lead us into stretching. So I hope you have enjoyed the piece today. I'll stick the song links in the description below, which means that you can learn them and then you can put in your own elements as well. So thank you very much for joining me. We will definitely do those workshops again next week before we get back into the studio on the 20th. So until then, enjoy these. I'm Zoe Patterson. This is F.Y.I Dance Club. Do come join a class and give us a little email at fyidanceclub.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you know every other video that I post. Have a great day.